Raffles City. This complex brings together 8 skyscrapers connected by a massive horizontal bridge known as the Crystal. It recreates the image of a sailboat floating among towers, paying tribute to Chongqing's history as a river port. There's an observation deck with a glass floor where visitors can see the meeting point of the Yangtze and the Jialing rivers. At night, an LED system covers the towers and the crystal with synchronized light shows. "1,000 Trees of Shanghai." Nicknamed the Hanging Gardens of Shanghai, this is an urban mountain blanketed with trees. It was inspired by the idea that architecture should live in harmony with nature rather than dominate it. Hundreds of trees and thousands of plants grow across different levels of the structure. The species were carefully selected to bloom in different seasons, giving the exterior a constantly changing appearance. Goupitan Shiplift. This massive piece of infrastructure was designed to make river navigation possible in a mountainous area with steep elevation changes. It allows cargo and passenger ships to cross the height difference between 2 stretches of the Wu River. The vessels pass through a tunnel carved in the mountain, linked to an artificial channel that leads directly to the lift. They enter a chamber filled with water, which then rises or descends slowly, connecting regions that were once isolated. Drone shows. These spectacles are a marvel of engineering, programming, and robotics. A synchronized aerial dance of hundreds or even thousands of illuminated drones flying in formation. They light up the skies of cities such as Shanghai, Shenzhen, and Wuhan, replacing traditional fireworks. Achieving this requires technologies like high-precision GPS, autonomous flight algorithms, and centralized software coordination. A single central computer manages the entire choreography, transforming 3D designs into flight paths for each drone. The shows have evolved from simple shapes to intricate animations capable of telling full stories. Chimelong Ocean Kingdom. This massive marine theme park is home to the largest aquarium in the world. It's divided into themed sections inspired by the ocean, offering entertainment that ranges from live exhibits to roller coasters. Inside the aquarium lies a gigantic tank inhabited by a group of whale sharks. They share the water with thousands of fish, from manta rays to various species of sharks. Whale sharks are the largest fish on Earth, reaching lengths of up to 18 meters, or about 59 feet. Qinghai-Tibet Railway. This line connects Xining, the capital of Shanghai province, with Lhasa, the capital of the Tibet Autonomous Region. It is the highest railway in the world, reaching 5,000 meters, or 16,404 feet above sea level, while crossing extreme inhospitable landscapes. At such an altitude, oxygen is scarce, so the train cars are pressurized and equipped with extra oxygen to protect passengers from altitude sickness. The railway plays a crucial role opening Tibet to the rest of China, something that previously could only be done by road or air. New Century Global Center. Located in Chengdu, it is the largest building in the world by total floor area. It functions like a city within a single structure, allowing people to live, work, shop, relax, and enjoy entertainment without ever stepping outside. The complex can accommodate up to 20,000 people at once and houses hundreds of stores, including luxury international brands. Inside, there is an artificial beach with a digital sky, controlled waves, and a lighting system that simulates sunrise and sunset. Guanghuan Shopping Mall. Situated in Chongqing, this high-end shopping center is filled with greenery and visually stunning elements. It was designed to resemble a futuristic jungle under a glass dome, with trees growing on suspended platforms. On the ground floor, visitors find aquatic gardens with ponds, rocks, and real subtropical plants. Each season brings a new theme. Sometimes a Jurassic landscape complete with dinosaurs, other times a sky filled with suspended balloons.